I got some really good feedback over on LinkedIn when I posted a few videos on process stuff using point of view recording. Check out the linked vid here. But I wanted to touch base on what Claude had mentioned here. Claude, thank you. Very detailed. Also, where's that? Process Geek. Process Geek. I love it. So what I want to touch on is down here. Let me get out of the way. I don't know why I feel like I have to duck when I can just move myself around, right? So let me move up here. In this particular example, use a custom measuring cup. This is the correct volume for the refill of the new insect tray. I don't know why I never connected the dots on this, because I do this every week to reset trays. I use those, I think they're 12-ounce cups, and I put in 2 handfuls. There's just a little bit of space left at the top of that cup. And then I reset the trays for the larva. What I had not thought of is using that for the beetles. And so I don't think I can use my hand to scoop them in, because beetles hold on a lot more. So from a process or operation perspective, I can't handle them physically with my hand anyway. And so my thought is to get to take those cups and figure out like what size I need, and then figure out a quick way to fill them. And so what I'm thinking is it'd be easiest to like pour them into the containers. Maybe square containers will be better instead of circular. Now that I think about it, as I talk this through, because my thought was to put them up on top of like not a mesh grate, but a metal grate that has bigger openings, so that anything that pours in and, it goes outside of that container, it'll fall into the bottom, and then I can just, move everything out, empty that back into a bowl, and then again pour them. And so now what I'm thinking is to take that part completely out, use squared cubes, square shaped instead. That may be where the 3D printed comes in. So I'm going to test that at some point and see what I can do to make that process a little faster with the cups, and post that out there. Thank you, sir. I appreciate it.